Are you freaking kidding me right now? Are you freaking kidding me right now? Hit it. Hey everybody, it's your favorite friend Blonde Richie and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be trying the other two colors of the hair paint wax that I said that I had. Now, y'all know how I feel about hair paint wax. I think it's the shiznit. And I think everybody, especially people with curly hair and especially people who want to expand their hair color palette, darling, should definitely copy some of these colors. Like, they are so amazing, and they also act as a great styler. Once again, if you're the type of person that works a corporate job but you want to be wild on the weekends, child, go and get you some of these because it washes right out straight with water. If you are doing a costume party, if you're doing, if you want to be Nicki Minaj for a weekend, just, you know, boom, there you go. You can do it. Put your back into it.
You can do it. Put your back into it.
Today, child, we're doing two colors that I really don't see too many videos on, and I think these are probably two of the most unique colors that they have. And we have silver. We have a nice silver color. It's beautiful. It's metallic. It's very shiny. It's gorgeous. It's wonderful. It's delicious. We also have this color. I believe it's called melanin. I think it's called melanin. Hold on. Actually, give me 1 second. I'm going to get the correct name of the color. Yes. The name of the color is melanin. It is melanin, and it's actually the most expensive color on their website. Some of the colors are $6.99, some are $7.99. This one is actually $10, $9.99. It's a beautiful metallic golden bronze. It's so beautiful, and I got it because it's so beautiful, but I don't really think that this is going to work really nice on me with my complexion. What you think? Again, I kind of like delayed the bleaching of my roots because I wanted you guys to see what it would look like in pure white platinum bleach blonde hair, and I also want you to see what it would look like in black virgin hair, so you can get an idea of what this color will look like no matter what your hair type is or what stage your hair is in now. So let's get into it. Right now I just have a leave-in conditioner in my hair, and this is my second time trying to record this video because I have a lot of crazy things going on right now. Yeah, so I'm just going to rewind it. Okay, the hair is wet and I have my hair split in two. You know what we're going to do. We're going to do half and half. So on this half, my right half, I'm going to do the silver. And on this half, my left half, I'm going to do the melanin. So let's go ahead and get started with the silver. I'm going to do the melanin last because I'm kind of like more excited about that one to see what that looks like. But I really like this silver because I love silver hair on me. I love gray hair on me. Whenever I have silver hair or gray hair, I feel like that's just like, you know, that's when I be the most popping. So I'm gonna take some in my hands, smooth it through, and then we're just gonna apply it like a styler. I'm gonna go from root to tip and we're gonna see what happened. Oh, okay, nice. I'm just gonna make sure that I hit those black areas so you guys can see what it's gonna look like on your black hair, on your black natural hair, if that's just where you at. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into the rest of it. And like I said, it is in its own way a styler. So you would just apply this to your hair the same way you will apply any styler. And the way that I apply my styler is I put it in and then I rake it through with my fingers. And that also, for me, I feel like actually helps with the finer of my curls. The silver is coming in silver, but to me it's, oh yeah, no, it definitely is coming in silver. But it's more to me looking more like a nice little platinum blonde, more than like silver. It's not like metallic-y silver. It's feeling like more blonde to me more than anything else. But you definitely can see that it's silver for sure. Okay, so I'm done with this side. I'm going to wash my hands so I can have a clean slate, and then we're going to get on over to the melanin. Be right back. So I really could not see on camera, but as I'm looking at it in the mirror, it's really coming in a really nice gray silver. It's really nice. It's definitely a really nice gray silver. I would say in my black hair, it's looking a little bit more white, but the coverage is okay. It's okay. I'm really loving it more in my blonde pieces more than I am loving it in my black hair. But I feel like I would use this in the black hair if you want to, like, I don't know, maybe if you want to play like an old person or something. I have no idea, but I love it in my blonde pieces. Absolutely love it in my blonde pieces. And now we're about to go ahead and dip into this melanin, and we're going to apply it the same way. Ooh, now this melanin feels a little bit different. I'm not gonna lie, it feels different from the other waxes. It's actually quite thicker and kind of reminds me of
like a butter chocolate.
Now this is
freaking gorgeous.
This is freaking gorgeous. Look at this. That is stunning. This is one of the most stunning colors I have ever seen in my freaking life. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Are you freaking kidding me right now? This is beautiful. This would be a nice color for like highlighter. If you're like a dark skinned person, this would be great. So I'm gonna apply just like I'm applying everything else. I'm gonna put it in, make sure I slide it on the root, and then I'm gonna style it in. Comb it through. Oh, wow. Okay. So it's giving my hair like a nice cocoa chocolatey color. Okay. All right. Let's proceed. Yeah. On my hair is very, very chocolate. Very, very chocolate. It's not giving you that copper bronzy look I was thinking it was going to give. It's definitely giving you brown. Is giving me brown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and I'll be right back with the finished results. Baby. Be right back, y'all. And I'm back, and these are the finished results. We got the silver side and we got the bronze side, and this is how we're looking, and this is how we're looking on the black hair. While I love the silver side, the bronze side the melanin side kind of impressed me. It's a really pretty brown, and it has like lots of gold reflex and lots of gold metallic key elements to it. And right now it may not look like it's not my favorite, but you could tell in the sunlight this is going to be popping. Like once we're able to go back outside, it's going to be popping. But the silver came out really nice. I really like it. I'm probably going to be using that soon because I am, and I can see me using the melanin when I'm in the mood. But it's really nice. I know that's going to be like really popping in the color, and maybe I'll definitely use this maybe when I want like a little bit more toned down look or whatever. So once again, this is the perfect thing if you want some styling with some color in it. You want to change up your color for a day, it washes right out with water. I am an affiliate with Hair Paint Wax, child. I'll leave my codes and the links in the description below, and I will see you on the next video.